A modern-day lifesaver. Explore the unique benefits of a hot tub. Hot tubs are well known for offering a variety of benefits, including warm water massage, stress relief, even improved sleep. Here's how a hot tub can be a modern-day lifesaver. Unexpected health benefits. There are a few unexpected benefits from hot tub use that seldom receive attention. A hot tub can help reduce symptoms of type 2 diabetes, jumpstart a weight loss program, and relieve insomnia. Reconnect with loved ones. With an in-home hot tub, it's easier than ever to have meaningful family time and conversations that keep you connected and close. The soothing, relaxed environment of the hot tub promotes open conversation and laughter, which foster good relationships. Promote well-being. Hot tub hydrotherapy is a proven strategy for overall well-being. A few minutes of personalized massage and elevated heat releases endorphins, increases blood circulation, and brings more oxygen and nutrients to the body. So go ahead, take a soak. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a hot tub to help improve their overall health and well-being, Bachman Pools and Spas is providing free test soaks at their Madison showroom. And we do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute soak call us ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more about the benefits of owning a hot tub, pick up a copy of this free hot tub buyer's guide, 5 Easy Steps for First-Time Buyers. Just give us a call at 608-222-7727 or go to bachmans.com.